Curious about eating vegan, but afraid it'll be too hard? Want tips for easy vegan substitutions, eating out and at home? You're in the right place.
Hi, I'm Christina, and I've been eating vegan for over 6 years now. I'm going to show you how simple it is. Whether eating out or eating at home, eating vegan is much easier than you'd expect.
Eating vegan painlessly.
Eating vegan painlessly means a painless vegan lifestyle for us humans, that is, easily being able to find vegan options and never feeling deprived. But it also means painless for animals, since one of the most common reasons people become vegan is for animal welfare.
Motivations for eating vegan range from ethical concerns to improved health to lessening one's carbon footprint. There are so many great reasons to eat vegan, but I'll get to the why in another video. This video will focus on the how. We'll delve into how easy it is to be vegan when eating out, when shopping, and when preparing food at home. So let's get started. Part 1. Eating out vegan. Today, most restaurant menus include delicious vegan options or are entirely vegan. At fully plant-based restaurants like Next Level Burger, you can have comfort foods like burgers and milkshakes, minus the guilt. And you don't have to forego taste or texture. Vegan meats and cheeses have come a long way. Look at how vegan cheese melts now. A lot of people think they're going to miss out eating vegan, but here I am with my kids eating all our old favorites. Gone are the days when you were limited to eating salads when eating out vegan. You can enjoy mouth-watering cheeseburgers, chili cheese fries, or tater tots with tangy ranch sauce. Perfection. It's all indistinguishable from the non-vegan versions, all to die for, all meat and dairy free. So forget the stomachache and heaviness you feel after a meal at a traditional burger place. But even a mainstream chain like the Yard House has an entire vegan section on their menu. And they'll substitute Gardein vegan meats in their other dishes. As is the case at many restaurants, the vegan version is often more affordable. Their crispy Gardein wings were amazing and cost $1.50 less than the meaty version. Their vegan orange chicken tastes exactly like the real thing. Very hard to share. We ordered shiitake garlic noodles from the regular menu minus the parmesan. Even when dishes aren't specifically vegan, servers are happy to tell you about easy substitutions. These days, more and more vegan coffee shops are popping up too. Like Rooted Coffee, whose menu is fully plant-based. There you can enjoy avocado toast, strawberry parfaits, delicious donuts, and of course, coffee with plant-based milks. Locating restaurants with vegan options has never been easier. You can use Happy Cow, Apple Maps, Google Maps, or Yelp to find fully vegan restaurants, or ones that have vegan or vegetarian options on their menu. Just search vegan near me to find options in your area. Part 2. Shopping vegan. Most people don't consider that much of what they eat is already vegan. Fruits, vegetables, nuts, legumes, most pastas, and most breads are already vegan. Vegan products that used to be available only at specialty health food shops are now carried by regular grocery stores. And if you're worried about your pocketbook, as most of us are, you'll be happy to know that it's no longer the case that the vegan version is always more expensive. As with restaurants, the vegan version is often priced the same or even more affordably than its non-vegan counterpart. Specifically, vegan products are now as affordable as they are easy to find. Some products even belong to the accidentally vegan category. It blows people's minds to find out that bacon bits, Oreos, Cracker Jack, Biscoff, Bisquick, Fritos, Hershey's syrup, most cake mixes, almost all breakfast cereals, and much more are all vegan. For protein and dairy, just keep these substitutions in mind. Instead of regular milk, buy soy, coconut, oat, or cashew milk. Instead of dairy creamer for your coffee, buy a plant-based creamer. My favorite is vanilla silk. Instead of dairy butter, buy a plant-based butter. They have less cholesterol, so your heart will thank you too. Instead of real eggs, buy a carton of Just Egg for scrambled eggs, or Egg Replacer for baking. Instead of dairy cheeses, use one of the endless varieties of plant-based cheeses available on the market. Substitute regular mayo for vegan mayo, and regular ice cream for dairy-free ice cream. You won't miss out on anything, except for the bloating dairy can cause. For pulled pork in your recipes, cooked and shredded jackfruit is an unbelievably convincing substitute. You can completely avoid the meat section of your grocery store, as brands like Gardein, Beyond, Boca, Impossible, and more have really perfected the taste and texture of their vegan products. Another great place to do your vegan shopping is the farmer's market. In addition to fresh local fruits and vegetables, you can also find vegan hummus, all kinds of freshly baked breads, piping hot tamales, dips, flatbreads, and more. Plus, you'll feel good about supporting small businesses and local organic farms. Part 3. Vegan food prep at home. These days, ready-made vegan food options abound, like this kimbap from Trader Joe's. But if you've got the time, making vegan meals at home is a breeze. With a few easy substitutions, you can make all your favorite recipes. Here are a few of our favorites, starting with pasta bolognese, or spaghetti with meat sauce. We make our pasta with olive oil and our meat sauce with soy crumbles or chopped up Boca burgers. Add garlic and onion, tomato, olives, and if you don't have time to make tomato sauce from scratch, no problem. Use some from a jar. Just check the label to make sure it's dairy-free. Serve up your pasta and top with nutritional yeast or vegan parmesan. Buon appetito! Some of the easiest and most delicious dishes to make vegan are curries. Thai yellow curry with tofu is simple and a great source of protein. Just brown onion and firm tofu, add coconut milk, mix in Thai curry paste, your vegetables of choice, and serve over rice. Garnish with cilantro and green onion. With this dish, you're sure to curry favor with your family. If you're pressed for time, nothing beats vegan fish fillets from the oven or popped into the microwave for just 1 minute. We top them with homemade tartar sauce made with vegan mayonnaise and diced dill pickles. At our house, vegan Spam is a must. Being from Hawaii, we use it in a lot of dishes. For Hawaiian breakfast, we fry it up with vegan sausages and eggs from plants, that is, or tofu scramble. And don't forget the Aloha Shoyu, which is naturally vegan. Beyond Burgers are perfect for loco mocos and fry up just like the real thing. Serve on a bed of rice, top with onions if you'd like, add vegan egg and smother with homemade vegan brown gravy, or save yourself some time and use vegan gravy from a can, another accidentally vegan product. Mexican dishes also taste great vegan. Black beans, olives, and salsa are already vegan. Just substitute vegan cheese and sour cream in your tacos, burritos, or nachos. These Mexican shreds will make you forget you're eating vegan. Pop into the oven at 350 until the cheese is melted. Now you've got the perfect gooey base for all your vegan toppings. Onion, olives, cilantro, salsa, vegan sour cream, and whatever else you'd like. Nachos are adaptable. Now let's talk sweets. Use vegan butter and substitute eggs with egg replacer or applesauce. We bake everything we used to with simple substitutions like these. Life's too short to live without dessert. Vegan chocolate chips can be found in any grocery store, and some brands are vegan by default. Just check the ingredients label to see which ones are dairy-free. The amazing thing is that now our cookies, brownies, cakes, and pies inevitably come out more moist and delicious than the regular versions ever did.
Eating vegan is easy, and the more people who know just how easy it is, the better, since there are so many benefits for humans, animals, and the planet, which I'll cover in my next video. For now, I hope you've enjoyed this little taste of just how simple and delicious eating vegan can be.
To find out more, look for vegan guides and cookbooks at your local bookstore or library. For free vegan starter kits, check out PETA and Veganuary online, which are also full of information on the benefits of veganism and how to easily get all the nutrients you need from non-animal sources. And YouTube, of course, is full of vegan creators with a wealth of information on how easy it is to eat vegan painlessly and how to get started today.